2020.
Something for our something we have a minimum of 5 responders and maximum of 6 responders. But we set them for 10 responders to answer and survey. We chose this number because we have the other so that when someone decide to come back to us, we need to do much more survey. And we chose them responders because it is a number natin. Realistic that would consider survey because some vendors you think would want something in exchange would want something in exchange for the answer survey.
In terms of data collection procedure, a questionnaire will be developed with a minimum of 6 related to the levels in the survey. The question will be focused on the reasonable vendors' experiences in inflation. The vendors will be given the option to complete the survey. The vendors will be given the option to complete the survey in their terms of languages, which is Tagalog or English. The survey will take approximately 15 minutes to complete.
The collection of data will be checked for errors in or invalid data will be removed or corrected. The findings will be reported in research report and presented in a format that is easy to understand for non-specialists. The survey will be carried out concurrently with the guidelines for research involving participants, vendors will be informed for their rights and provided with a written consent form. All the information collected will be kept confidential and anonymous.
Sample survey question. What are you experienced
issue did the seller encounter as a result of the price hike? Or what are the self-reported events manipulated the wage and sellers? 5. What are the self-imposed methods which cause sellers use to cope up with inflation?
Kaya po natin pero pag hindi